If you are beginner, then you should use thicker yarn and bigger hook. I mean 3 millimeter or 3.5 or 4 millimeter, and yarn should be 4 ply or 5 ply or 6 ply. If you don't have a thicker yarn and bigger hook, then use whatever you have. Okay, now it's time to hold yarn. Straight your hand and practice like this. Within your fingers, grab the yarn and support it with thumb and middle finger like this. Not too tight, not too loose. It's very easy. The second method is like this. Wrap the yarn on your finger and work what you want. Now grab the hook. Its hook should not be away from you. It should be in front of you like this. Not on upper side, not on opposite side. No, never. It should be like this. It's time to make slip knot. Make a circle like this with your finger. It's very easy and simple. Grab your hook and insert inside the circle. Grab the yarn on your hook and pull through the circle. And now pull from one end or two end. If the loop is too big, tight the yarn from one end. But if you are beginner, I will recommend you to make a medium size loop. Okay, now slip knot is already done. Grab the yarn on your hook and pull through the loop like this. Look carefully on the hook and direction of hook and the movement of my hand. Like this. Again, yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. In this way, you can go and make as many as you want. Again, yarn over, pull through the loop. If the direction of movement of your hook is correct, you will do it easily. Next step, how to add a new row with single crochet. So while adding a new row, first chain is skipped. Don't work into the first chain, into the second chain. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull back. Now 2 loop on crochet hook, again yarn over and pull through 2 loop. This is called single crochet. Into the second chain, yarn over, pull through 2 loop on my crochet hook, yarn over, pull through 2. It's very easy. This is single crochet. In this way, I will do all the chains and you should do it too. So complete this row while using single crochet slowly. Keep in mind the movement of my crochet hook. Now how to add new row. Chain 1. While doing single crochet, always chain 1 when adding new row. And now into the first chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 again. It's very simple and easy. Practice is must. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.